Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. It is Crystal Marie, and yes, I finally checked my P.O. box and I have the Simply Gilded iridescent ink box from January, so I'm going to be sharing that with you guys today. If you love unboxings, stationery unboxings, all things pretty, you're going to want to give this video a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe if you are a new watcher. I appreciate you. And if you are a returning visitor to my channel, I hope you have already subscribed, but please hit that subscribe button and of course the notification bell. I did just post another video, another haul video, and I will leave that linked down below as well so that you can take a look at that one. But without further ado, let's get into this iridescent ink box from Simply Gilded January. All right. So, of course, we always start with the menu card. We have for the January 2021 box, we have a foil journaling card, a designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, iridescent pretty pouch, B6 stitched binding notebook, sleek engraved gel ink pen, the iridescent finish ruler, vellum and acetate sheets, translucent sticky tabs, and heart vellum sticky notes, and a mystery item. So if you are new to my channel, then you may not be aware, but everybody else will know that I always reveal the mystery item. So if you don't want to know what that is, then you may want to skip this video, but for everyone else, I'm telling you everything. So the first thing here, it looks like, is that pouch, the iridescent pretty pouch. And let's see what that looks like. Very pretty. It does remind me of like a makeup bag. I do like that it's clear and iridescent, although I don't know if I'm going to keep this one. And if you are new to my channel, I do always like share the things that I don't like to people that I think will like them, like, you know, some of my friends and things like that. And a lot of my friends have kids, so kids will play with the things that I don't like. I'm a pink lover, a gold lover, a like gold foil sparkle type of person, so the blues don't always get me, but I do think that this is very pretty as far as the iridescent and the clear. I could see using this in like my Louis Vuitton Neverfull and putting certain things like my hand sanitizer and stuff so that I could get to it easily, so that could work. Oh, okay, so my alarm went off, but let's just hop back on into it. So I don't know if I'll keep this one or give this to one of my friends. We'll see. And of course, the washi tape. I always love the washi tape. So we've got washi tape in here. We've got the pen and the journaling card. This is so pretty. It is Life Imitates Art. Of course, it's like that iridescent foil. Really pretty. And I always love the pens. I'm very partial to the gold and rose gold metal, but this is really pretty. Like, this is gorgeous. And if you're new here, I do, in my regular writing, use Simply Gilded and Villa Beautiful pens for the most part, like for my everyday writing. So I love, love, love this. And then, of course, you always get like the most beautiful washi. Let me turn this around here. And this has that silver iridescent foil on it. This one is so very pretty to me. I mean, the camera is probably not doing it any justice, but let me see if I could just get it out of the, let's see if I can get it out of the, yeah. This one is so pretty. Oop, I almost dropped all of the washi. So, is this one washi? Yeah, this is one. So you get 3, 4, 5, 6. So you got 6 washis this time. You've got your normal bow washis with the iridescent bows, and then you've got this one, and you've got these 2, And then you've got this one that has the iridescent foil going across here. Very pretty. This bow one is like just everything. And then I believe this is the mystery item because it wasn't listed on the menu card. So these are the jelly roll pins. And this one is in like that blue that we're seeing as the theme this time. Then we have some sticky tabs. These are really pretty. Follow the theme here. So ink, storm, cornflower, clarity, and wisp. Wisp is really pretty. And cornflower is actually really pretty too. And then we've got the vellum sticky notes. I love that this is in the shape of a heart. Let me just try to take this out really quick. Yeah, these are really pretty. And I think we got vellum sticky notes the last time that were in the shape of a leaf. I think these are really pretty. I hope she does these in pink. Ooh-wee. And then we've got the ruler here, which will be nice for just like the smaller projects and journaling. This is, I want to say, oh, there's some scratches on it. Oh, can you guys see that? You probably can't. Yeah, like here, there's some scratches, but it's all good. I want to say like this is the first time that we've gotten a ruler in one of the boxes. I think this is a great addition because you can, and this is like so portable, you can put this in your purse like for to go with your notebook and things like that. While you're traveling, you can do bullet journaling, and yeah, I love this. This is a good addition. I do wish it wasn't scratched, but you know, stuff happens. And then we have the I think this is the vellum and the acetate paper. If you've been here before, you guys know that I think I say this every time we get like paper. I don't like my paper folded. Like if it's 8.5 by 11, I like it to be just 8.5 by 11 so I can use the whole thing. Because once you have this strip that's kind of permanent, you know, that little fold. So, but this is very pretty. Like this star. Hopefully you guys can see that. This star paper is so pretty. And then you've got the vellum paper here, and the vellum paper is also very gorgeous. Even though I am partial to rose gold and gold, this silver like iridescent foil against this color is gorgeous. And I really need to be creating something with this soon. This is very pretty. Let's see here. Oops. Let me see, which way did I put it? Okay, there we go. And then we've got our B6 notebook. I wonder, does it say if it's lined on the card? Let's see. Let me go back and see if it says lined because I can't remember. Nope, it just says B6 binding notebook. So I can't tell if this is lined or sometimes it's dotted, you know. But this is really pretty. I wish, you guys, that this had like the silver foil in it. Oh my goodness, that would have been so hot. But I love this, love this. And then you get the sticker set. I always use the bows to seal my envelopes, like the large bows. I love them. I'm in love with large bows. And I always love the sticker sets too. So these are the heart icon. Look at that foil. Just fix your eye on that for a second. That's so pretty. And then you've got this deep blue heart icon set. This is really pretty. The deep blue, like a what is that? A navy. I love that. And then you've got your gratitude. Like you always get this set, but it matches the theme of the box. And then we've got the bows. Look at that. Feast your eye on that there. I always love the bows. I always do. And then you've got your large stickers here. Like these are, let's see here. Let's see if I can hold it so I can show you guys. These are all the days of the week. And then this one says planner time, me time, vacation. So you get like 3 sets of the days of the week. Love this life. This bow, oh gosh, this right here. Oh my goodness. And this heart. Yeah, I love those. Get in flow. Oh, that's my alarm again. Okay, stop that alarm. I love it, love it, love it, love it. Okay, so let's recap because I think that is everything. Of course, we've got the sticker set that we always get, the bows, the heart icons, and then the box set stickers. Love. We've got the B6 notebook, our washi that we always love. There is a washi subscription that you guys can get now, and there is a sticker subscription only that you guys can get, and then you have the box, because like I said last time, the box pricing did go up, but for right now I'm going to keep getting the box because I just really think it's worth it, and I love unboxing it every month. We've got our bag here, our little pouch. We've got our vellum paper sheet, and then we've got our acetate. We've got the journaling card, this beautiful ruler, the vellum sticky notes, the pen, of course, and we've got the sticker tabs, and then the mystery item, which is the jelly roll pin that matches that blue, and of course the journaling card that always comes with it. It's amazing. So I definitely will be sharing some of this with you know, some of my friends that have kids so that they can play with those, but I love a lot of this too. And yeah, so let me know what projects you want to see me do, like with the papers. I have a lot of Simply Gilded papers that I have been hoarding away and I really need to use. So if you guys have a project idea, definitely drop that down below in the comments. And thank you guys for watching. If you're a Simply Gilded subscriber, let me know what your favorite item is from this box. If not, and you watch the video, let me know as well what your favorite item is, what your favorite like color scheme is, all of the good stuff. All right, thank you guys for watching. Love you. Thumbs up the video. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you next video.